Gold, silver, Bitcoin at all-time high. This can be a silent alarm of collapse, and let's see how. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishita and let's understand how is this gonna impact the common people. Gold price stands at $3,970 per ounce, silver at $50 per ounce and Bitcoin $1,25,232. This is a historic trio surge. All three, gold, silver, and Bitcoin, are now recording their all-time high together. Gold just broke $3,900 per ounce for the first time ever. Silver is rallying sharply too, over 50% gains this year in many markets. Bitcoin touched $1,25,000 plus, putting its market cap near $2.2 to 2.4 trillion, surpassing Amazon's value in one stroke. This trifecta is rare. But why it's happening now? More powerful current scenarios that can be considered here are: number one, central banks are hoarding gold to weaken exposure to the US dollar. Number two, industrial demand for silver, EVs, solar, electronic is tightening supply. Number three, massive institutional inflows into Bitcoin via ETFs and treasury allocation. Debt and inflation expansion make fiat less trustworthy. People demand something that can't be printed. So, what are its outcomes? Number one, fiat pressure and dollar weakens. When gold and silver surge, fiat currencies feel pressure. The US dollar index is down 10% this year, magnifying precious metal gains. Savings, wages, and cash holdings lose value over time. Sovereign debt denominated in foreign currency become riskier to service. The more gold rises, the more the system admits your money is not safe. Now, you may ask, what is fiat currency? Fiat currencies are government issued currency with no intrinsic value, such as the US dollar or the euro, whose value comes from public trust and the issuer authority, rather than being backed by a physical commodity like gold and silver. Second outcome is capital rotation and herding. Watching this cycle, capital rotates faster. Money flows out of growth stocks, bonds, and speculative plays. It enters metals and bitcoins as safe money bets. This momentum amplifies the trend because everyone chases the breakout. It's not just investing, it becomes a flight to refuge. Outcome number three is inflation and system strain. Metals climbing reveals hidden inflation and strain. Real interest rates plunge further as yields stay low. Government and corporation with high debts take hit. Currency printing becomes more tempting but also more dangerous. It's basically a feedback cycle. Weak fiat, metal demand, more fiat printing. So now the question comes, what's the role of Bitcoin in this mix? Bitcoin is not just a crypto asset, it's the digital gold lake in this trio. Bitcoin's scarcity, 21 million market cap versus gold's limited supply, gives it a symmetric upside. Its adoption by institutions, corporates, and even nations, for example, strategic Bitcoin reserve moves, positions it as a reserve asset. BTC market cap now rivals major nations' monetary basis. Now, if we look at previous trends, what history has warned us over the time, let's look back into it. 1970s gold preluded dollar collapse and inflation spiral. 2008 crisis saw metal peak before systematic breakdown. Every time a safe asset outspaced risk, cracks widens in the system. When the refugee outshines the risk, history says we are nearing a turning point. So where ultimately all this could go and end up? Here are three possible pathways. Number one, blow off. Surges push BTC to $160 to 200k. Gold could go up to $4,500 plus and silver to $70 plus. Number two, possibility of major correction and reset. Sharp pullbacks, metals test support zones. Number three, rational reset. Waves of rotations between three. As a result, volatility reigns. But regardless, valuation have been redefined. So as final truth and conclusion to this video, gold and silver rising together is not a bullish noise, it's the system whispering its failure. Add Bitcoin, top the mix, and you will see a full-blown paradigm shift. Cash is weakening, debt is amplified, people hunt for refuge. Don't keep this truth to yourself, spread it and awaken the masses. If you like this video, do share it, like and definitely subscribe to my channel for more such video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account for daily updates and stock market analysis. Thank you and see you next time.